Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word salivate. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The smell of the delicious food cooking on the barbecue caused Jack to salivate uncontrollably. Salivate means to produce saliva in anticipation of food or when experiencing a strong emotional response, such as hunger, desire, or anticipation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.